Hey there, Shooby Doodlers. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a ship in a bottle. Now let's come up along like this. So we're going to draw the bottle first, and that will come around like that, and then we want it to be a nice kind of wine bottle-y shape like that with a neck, and of course it's on its side because that's how you have a ship in a bottle. This is the cork sticking out at the end, and then we'll want to bring that around and over there. Put some little dots in there for the cork like that, and you're going to sort of see some of the cork in there as well. Now this is where we're going to draw the ship. So draw the waves first, something like that, and then that's the back of the ship, the aft, and then this is the prow sticking out there, and then just a bit of a kind of a curve going along like that. We're going to want to have a sail here, like that, and another one there, and another one there. This is where the mast is going to be, so we'll draw these, whatever they are, jibs. if you're a sailing kind of person, you'll know what they are. Okay, so those are the jib sails at the front, and then here are the sails and the mast, the cross pieces anyway, whatever they're called, and then that's going to go across there, and then a little curve above it. That wants to come down like that and across like that, and then we'll have something that's similar there with the sail, with a little bit there, a little bit there, and across and down, and then you want to see the mast coming through those bits as well, like that, and then we'll have kind of a back sail like that, and maybe a little flag. Now the sea needs to be a kind of a blobby bit in the bottom of the bottle. We'll have a bit of a shine on the bottle, and then we want to have the bottle on a stand. So that's going to come around there like that, and then kind of down, and we'll have a little plaque on the front, shall we? Little nail there, we'll call it S Sailing Ship Vino. How about that? SS Vino. And we could maybe put something like that in there, some shadow underneath there, a bit more shine there, and some shadow there to put it on the table, or you could maybe add some more sort of stuff like that for the planks that make up the boat. Thanks for watching, and make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy, and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, 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 practice, 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 and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.